So, seems like it's just a lot of shit all the way down. So it's pretty much like a little dump site. It's gonna be a pain in the butt to dig through, so I don't think I'm gonna dig anymore. It would be easier for me to dig a new well than it would be to dig out all this shit. So maybe we can mess around. We can save some bricks and fill this in. Maybe we can hook a hoist to this and pull this out. See, there's a pump attached. I wonder if the pump will come with it. I don't know. Weird. You know, it's very odd that that can turn so easily now. And whenever I was welding, sparks are going down the middle of the tube, and I can hear them boiling water down there. I would suspect that that goes down to the pump, but you'd think it'd be in there solidly. How very odd. not. That is a lot longer than I thought. So, water seems to be right here. And then from there to here, this is where the dirt was down to. So what if I had gone down about 4 feet or 1.5 meters? And then this is the length that is excavated. We're still open. Well, I don't know what that's about. Oh, there we go. That is very clogged up. See, I was expecting there would be some type of pump at the end of this, unless it just broke off. It could be. $1993 Play School tape recorder. You know, I think I had that exact one. Little bag of toys. Yeah, I think I had that one when I was a kid. That's funny. Well, obviously it's just a bunch of shit. If miners or tunnelers had to dig through stuff like this without power equipment, I bet they probably wouldn't do it, because this is just shit. But there's bricks, so I don't know. This will go in the trash. So this is becoming a pain in the ass. Whenever I sink my tunnel, I'm going to make it big enough to where I can actually like move in it. This is just too small. But if I didn't have so much stuff jutting in, like those bricks that are being pushed in and that big root that's coming in, it would be bigger and I could actually work down there. And plus, the bottom of it is sloped really steeply. You can't really tell that on the video, but it is like a 45-degree angle slope on that the floor. And so it's just, I keep sliding. And it's difficult to cut it away because there's so many roots and pieces of plastic and bullshit down there. So I'll pull out what I can, and then looks like underneath that's just a bunch more brick and rock and dirt and shit. And who knows? I don't even want to know what's underneath there. And well, then this will become a brick mine. We'll be able to mine bricks in my backyard. I think we'll get a few hundred bricks out of this, and that'll also open up more space for the tree to grow. And then I'll probably go about getting a bunch of sand and putting it in here. I'm thinking about getting a bunch of like river rock from the creek for Bill's like walkway. I might as well also get a bunch of sand. But that'll be a slow thing. It'll be like a couple wheelbarrows at a time. So that'll take a while to fill up. But I did get that big long pipe, which is pretty cool. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thank you very much for watching. See ya.